So first step is on downloading Java. For that, you have to go to Oracle website. Current Java version is 14. Now you click on JDK downloads. So you have different executable based on different operating system. In my case, I'm using Windows 10, so I have downloaded this version of installer. So this is the file. Now double click on this and allow the system permission. Wait for the pop-up. Now click on next. This is the installation folder where this will be installed. Click on next and wait for a moment for this process to be completed. So once this process is complete, we have to save this installation path in the environment variable so that we can start our development. So this process is already completed. Close this. Now go to C drive just to verify where it has been installed. Go to program files and you can see the Java folder here. And we have a JDK 14.0.2 installed inside here. So this is all how we have installed the Java. Now set the path. So right click on this PC and go to the properties. Here you will find this advanced system setting. Click on this. Go inside environment variable. And now inside the system variable, click on new. Here you write Java underscore home and select the path where we have installed. So I copied the path, going back and setting that value. Okay. After this, we have to set this in the path variable. So go to the path now, click new, percent this Java underscore home percentage backslash bin. Click on OK, OK, OK. So all set. Let's verify this. So go to command prompt, Java version. That's all.